So yeah guys, we're here in the garage slash, backyard. And just to let you guys know some of the projects we got going on. We got Gio's car, which is the engine still I believe at the machine shop. But we're cleaning up the engine bay, making it look nicer to complement Gio's build. So
we're doing EV swap.
EV swap? EV swap. Oh, EV swap. Oh shit. Then this car is one of our friends. We're doing a, you guessed it, we're K-swapping it. So I'm gonna make future videos about this car on the K-swap and the process. And then this turd here, we're just gonna scrap it for parts and metal and aluminum, since aluminum is up 20%, 30%, 50%.
Aluminum, steel, all metals are pretty high up right now.
Yeah. So yeah, that's and that beautiful thing over there. We got a couple. We're doing like a transmission job type of deal, like resealing the whole car. And we come across this little thing here. Whoever did this transmission last, when they took out these bolts, they messed it up for everybody else, man. Cause now you got a broken bolt in there. I don't know what they tied it with. I don't know, the Hulk tying that bolt. So it's a 5-speed from 1.6, so they're not all that great. But if I mean, like, we're gonna try and take that bolt out of there with an extractor or something. But that's a crappy situation, to say the least. And then you got this, like the viscous, Gio? There's a viscous differential?
1.8, 1.6.
Yeah, so we're changing out the seals, which are old as crap. And yeah, we just took everything out already except for the clutch. Seals are changed. He needs a new CV axle there, half axles, half shaft, whatever you want to call them. That one's crap too. Like, this car, you can tell it's a 20-year-old car basically. It needs some love, but it's gonna make it. Also, the very famous thing on these cars that always breaks when you're messing with them, you guessed it, crap. It's a shame because they're nice little headers, but they're crap. Sucks. But other than that, I don't know, you guys might not like the way we have this car lifted, but it's perfect to get under there. And it's a little sketchy. Don't do this at home, guys. But yeah, those are what's going on here, and that car is gonna get some attention later on. And yeah, I think the next video is probably gonna be driving up to the state championships in BFG